If you use ChatGPT a lot, you might find yourself having to repeat things like your name, your friends, and other facts about you. Well, there's an easy way to avoid having to do that and also get ChatGPT to work the way you want it to, and that's through personalization. Aside from memory, which is where ChatGPT tries to figure out things that it remember about you, you can actually go in and tell it specific things. Inside the web version, in the upper right corner, you'll see your icon. If you're using the local version on your desktop, then it should be probably in the lower left. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to see some options. I'm going to click on Customize ChatGPT. When you do that, a panel pops up with some options, including a little helpful tip here for what you can put in there. So there's two kinds of instructions. One is basically things about yourself. So I've told it my name is Andrew Main. Then you have instructions for how you want it to respond. I've told it when coding, give me complete examples, do not truncate or ask me to insert code. This is because I don't want to have to do a lot of copy pasting. Now you might have to write a lot of business letters or do formal communications. You might tell ChatGPT, hey, when giving me examples, use this tone. You might also give it a bunch of facts about things that are important, where you work, who you work with, the kinds of things you have to use a lot. By providing this to ChatGPT, it means you don't have to tell it to it every time. Now, behind the scenes, what's going on is every time you ask it for something or make an instruction, etc., this data is included. Now, there's also a memory function, and that tries to save things that it thinks is important, but that can be a little bit random, whereas this information is always sent to ChatGPT. Now, let me show you a trick. If you've been using ChatGPT for a while and it's stored up some memories on you, how you can write your custom instructions. And you can just tell it, based on memory, what should my custom instructions be for ChatGPT? And what it's going to do now is look at some of the conversations we've had before where it saved data and write some instructions for itself. So I'm Andrew Main, a prolific author. Well, thank you very much. And it talks about some of the different things I've worked on and includes some of the tools I use. Then it provides some information about how I want it to respond. Now all I have to do is copy this and go over to my settings again and click on Customize ChatGPT, paste that there, click Save, then get the part for how I want to work with it, copy it, go back in there, click Customize, and paste that in. Next time I use ChatGPT, it's going to already know a lot more about me and how I want to work with it, making my interaction a lot more productive.